Hello, my name is Bob Willis, and welcome to the MPL Defect Database, or Defect of the Month, as I choose to call it. Now, every month we look at different defects taken from our MPL Defect Database and hopefully provide engineers with a reference source, hopefully to solve some of their process problems. Now, solder splats is a curious thing that I've seen in the industry for a number of years, and what we're talking about is one or multiple solder particles in the solder paste that have been compressed together. Now, these can come from the solder paste material you're using. They may also be introduced by the mixing process or the reuse of paste. And you can normally see it, if you look at a solder paste deposit, as just one little area which is glinting and shining at you. As you increase the magnification, you can actually see these solder splats or solder pancakes. It just depends on where you go from in the world, what people call them. But inevitably, if they're present during the printing process, they can clog the apertures, which can then introduce poor printing. If they're actually created during the printing process, i.e. due to paste on the underside of the stencil being squashed and then transferred to the board in some way, if it's high pressure introduced by the blades during the printing process. So understand why you've got it, understand is it going to be significant to you, but please look at boards. Quite often a lot of engineers rely on SPI units to do all their inspection for them. Look at the printed circuit board. You can learn a lot from just optically looking at samples that you're processing.